Yeah.
Like she was not
Oh,
actually.
fuck! What the fuck are you doing?
There's no better place to get together with friends and family than at your local club. Whether you're in the mood for a wood-fired pizza, freshly grilled seafood, or handmade dumplings, clubs have an incredible range of delicious food on the menu, with craft beers and award-winning wines to match. Plus, clubs have some...
And then he's like, I can't hear you. You can take your mask off if you want. I don't really care. Pulled out straight in front of me.
Fucking idiot.
What the fuck?
Holy shit.
Bro.
Oh, he got a big honk.
You want an island with the ocean color stuck in your iris. We comfortable in silence.
Right, so it was a 5.5 hour session. There was a half an hour. There was like 50 minutes. It was 4.5 hour session of them just talking.
कहाँ गयो गाडी साइको हो क्या पछाडिको होइन
Maniac.
That's a little bit illegal.
Yeah, what the... What is that? You fucking idiot. I can't tolerate.
Beautiful, you idiot. You fucking idiot. And you have a baby on board sticker, you fuckwit. Holy shit. It's always the cunts with the baby on board sticker. Fucking want everyone else to be careful. Fuck.
We didn't have one last night, so that was good. I got a full interrupted night's sleep, which is good. So.
Right.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Anyway.
You get the safety?
Sorry? No, I haven't yet. Didn't even look. Beautiful.
Whoa! Don't overtake turning vehicle. Okay.
Very nice.
Oh, look who's a bus. Hey, look how special I am.
Video protected. Video protected.
my gate and door.
Oh, God. Oh. Yeah.
It's not going to get very far anyway, it's got accidentally.
Only my car.
Good type of two. Good type of two. Get it again. Come on, Volkswagen, don't let him in. Oh,
Sonny, you silly, silly boy.
Malteser.
And my shipper is half Shih Tzu and half toy poodle.
Ah.
Yeah. They're very they're not cheap. They're expensive.
Expensive, but this one I got it for like cheap price. I don't know
Yeah,
why.
that's good.
I think the lady sold me for cheap. And she kept it for $1,500.
Yeah.
When I went there, like I said, can you give me $1,000? And she said, okay, just take it.
Yeah.
Like she was not.
Oh fuck! What the fuck are you doing? What the hell?
You hit him?
I hit him, yeah. What are you doing? FSC